Alright guys, so we're going to make a quick easy video for you. This is how I make my Butterfinger peanut butter milk stouts. Super easy. So you just have your Butterfinger, caramel syrup, chocolate flavored syrup, peanut butter cup ice cream, and then your Belching Beaver peanut butter milk stout. It's fantastic. So let's start with the Butterfinger here. And we're just going to break this in half for now. So half on the bottom. Bazinga. That out of the way. We'll do some ice cream on top. Don't worry if you put too much ice cream. It just makes it more delicious. Get in there. Alright, so that's good for now. So we'll squanch that down. Perfect amount of squanch right there. Then we'll do some chocolate syrup. Spadoo. A little bit of caramel. Spadoo-doo. Then we have the adult beverage. We want it just to foam up a little bit over that. Let that mix in. Perfect. We'll grab some more of the Butterfinger, the other two chunks. Skidoo. Might as well add some more syrup. Do another scoop of the ice cream. We'll do 2 scoops. Add some more adult beverage. And there you be. Let that just all kind of settle, float around, be delicious. And there you have it. Adult beverage, peanut butter milk stout, malty, floaty, deliciousy.